If you've been doing digital marketing, you absolutely have to listen to this video. And trust me, if you don't listen, you are seriously missing out. This video is only for you if you are clued up in marketing in any way. So if you're not, please just scroll by. I've been in the online space for a few months and I've done digital marketing for a while now. And I've seen a few people make a lot of money with digital marketing. But to be real, guys, none of that is residual income. None of that is consistently every month, right? You're constantly on the hunt for the next person to buy a course from you or a digital product. Nah, there is a way, a better way of making money online. And I'm sure you have not heard of this. It is absolutely insane. Some of the people in the community has been doing this side hustle for 6 months. And it has been growing exponentially every month. And the beautiful thing about this side hustle is that even if you decide to step away, it keeps growing. So if you want to find out more, you need to stick a heart, yeah? And you need to make sure that you share this video with other digital marketers. Once you see what this is all about, you will never look back. So if you want to find out more about this opportunity that I'm on about, please leave me the word ready in the comments and I would absolutely love to have a chat with you.